All the hits. One station.
A pleasant day, grade 6 learners. We are now on the fourth week, quarter 1 in Mathematics 6. The first 3 weeks was devoted to the different operations involving fractions. This week and the weeks thereafter, our focus is on decimals. After going through this lesson, you are expected to add and subtract decimals and mix decimals through 10,000s without or with regrouping. Let's recall first the process on how to round off decimals. Add 1 to the digit in the rounding place if the digit to its right is 5 or greater. Otherwise, leave the digit unchanged. Drop all digits after the rounding place. Let us continue by answering an exercise on estimation. Okay, it says there in the directions, round off the following decimals to the nearest whole number or highest peso value. So for numbers 1 to 3, let us round up to the nearest whole number. Okay, number 1, it is 8 and 99 hundredths. The answer is 9. For number 2, it is 24 and 65 hundredths. So the answer will be 25. Since at the right of the decimal point is 6, it is greater than 5, so 24.65 will be 25. For number 3, can you think of the correct estimation? Yes, it is 201, since at the right is 4. The number 4, round up to the highest peso value. So if it is 67 pesos and 75 centavos, it will be 70 pesos. So you will round it up. Now for number 5, it is 123 pesos and 25 centavos. The highest peso value is? Yes, it is 100 pesos since at the right of 1 is 2. It is less than 5. Okay, so did you get at least 5? Let us proceed to addition and subtraction of decimals and mixed decimals. Adding and subtracting decimals is similar to the process of adding and subtracting whole numbers. Decimals through 10,000s have 4 digits after the decimal points. Let us have the first example. Add 2 and 25 hundredths plus 3 hundredths plus 756 10,000s. So we have 3 addends to be added. Step 1. Arrange the digits in columns and align the decimal points. As you see, 2, 0, and 0 are aligned because they are whole numbers. At the right, we have the decimal. Then step 2, insert zeros in empty decimal place values if needed so that all of the numbers have the same number of decimal places. So for 2.25, we add 2 zeros. 0.03, we add 2 zeros. And then we have 0.0756. So they are now in 10,000s place. Now for step 3, add as with whole numbers. So adding to the right, starting from the right. So we have 0 plus 0 plus 6 equals 6. 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. Then 5 plus 3 plus 7 equals 15, carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 2 plus 0 plus 0 is 2. So the final answer is 2 and 3,556 10,000s. Let us study example 2. Subtract 4,567 10,000s from 36 and 5 tenths. Step 1. Arrange the digits in columns and align the decimal points. So we need to start first with 36 and 5 tenths. Minus 0.4567 10,000s. So 6 and 0 are aligned, while 5 and 4 are aligned. So we need to keep the decimal point aligned. Now, step 2. Insert zeros in empty decimal place values if needed, so that all of the numbers have the same number of decimal places. Since we only have 36.5, we need to add 3 more zeros. Minus 0.4567. So now they have all 10,000s place. Now for step 3, we subtract as with whole numbers. Regroup if necessary. So 36.5,000 minus 0.4567. So we begin by answering first the number at the right. So 0 minus 7, that can't be. So we regroup. 0 will become 10, minus 7 is 3. 0 will become 9, minus 6 is 3. 0 will become 9, minus 5 is 4, while 5 will become 4, minus 4 is 0. Then 36 minus 0 is 36. So the final answer is 36 and 433 10,000s. Let us proceed to the second topic for the week, which is problem solving involving addition and subtraction of decimal and mixed decimals. After going through this lesson, you are expected to solve one or more steps, routine and non-routine problems involving addition and or subtraction of decimals and mixed decimals using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. In solving problems, you need to understand first the given problem and plan for which operation or operations to use. You may draw an illustration to help you visualize your plan, then solve and check. Moving on, let us study the steps, solution on how the problem is solved. So for problem number 1, during a sale, a microwave oven cost 4,999 pesos. Its price has been reduced to 500 pesos. What was its price before the sale? You need to understand what reduced is. It means the price is decreased. So, first step, you need to understand. So under understand, we have ask and given. So the problem is asking for the price of the microwave oven before the sale. So if it is before the sale, will it be higher or lower? Then given, we have 4,999 pesos, which is the cost of the microwave oven during the sale or a sale. then 500 pesos for the reduced price. Now for letter B, you need to plan. So add the sale price and the amount of reduction. Why do you need to add? Because it is the price before the sale. So for the solution, we have 4,999 pesos plus 500 pesos. So 0, 0, then 9 plus 0 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 9, then 9 plus 5 is 4, carry 1, 1 plus 4 is 5. So the answer is 5,499 pesos. That is the price of the microwave oven before the sale. Now for letter D, check. Since the opposite of addition is subtraction, we may subtract the price before the sale, which is 5,499 pesos, less the reduced amount, which is 500 pesos. Then subtract 0, 0, then 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 0 is 9, 4 will become 14 minus 5 is 9, 5 will become 4. So the price during the sale is 4,999 pesos as stated in the problem. Now let us take problem number 2. Tommy is buying materials for his school portfolio. The store is selling supplies such as clear book, colored paper, and accessories. Now Tommy bought a clear book for 149 pesos and 99 centavos, 2 packs of colored paper at 132 pesos and 75 centavos each pack, and accessories for 50 pesos and 25 centavos. How much would be his change if he pays 500 pesos at the cashier? So look at the number sentence. We have 500 pesos less the cost of the items inside the parentheses. So 500 pesos minus 149.99 plus 132 pesos and 75 centavos plus 132 pesos and 75 centavos plus 50 pesos and 25 centavos equals N. So you need to solve first the equation or the expression inside the parentheses. So add the 4 amounts. So align the numbers by arranging in column and align the decimal point. So we have 9 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 24, carry 2. 2 plus 9 is 11, plus 7, 18, plus 2, 20 plus 7, 27, carry 2. Then 2 plus 9 is 11, plus 2, 13, plus 2, 15, carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 5 is 10, plus 3 plus 3 is 16, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So the total cost of the items that Tommy bought is 465 pesos and 74 centavos. Now, you need to subtract the amount from 500 pesos. So we start from 500 pesos minus 465 pesos and 74 centavos. So we need to regroup again. 0 will become 10 minus 4 is 6. 0 will become 9 minus 7 is 2. 0 will become 9 minus 5 is 4. Then 50 will become 49 minus 46 is 3. So the amount of his change is 34 pesos and 26 centavos. Get your LM in mathematics for the learning task for the week. Task 1. Estimate the sum by rounding the amount to the highest place value on page 18. Task 2. Arrange in column and add the given decimal numbers on page 19. For task 3, solve the given problems on page 19. And the last is task 4. Choose the letter of the best answer on page 21. That's all for the day, kids. I hope you have learned something that you may apply in your everyday life. Till next time, this is Teacher Arlene signing off.